The definition of prehensile is being able to grab. Sila can grab sa mga object na kasing galing lang ng ating mga kamay at ipapakita yan ni Teddy ngayong hapon po. Okay? And baba ka na, boy. And that is prehensile in action po. You're doing that in the wild to get some fruits hanging from a branch. Palakpakan po natin si Teddy, guys. Alright. Now, guys, may direct attention into your right na naman. That is the older brother of Teddy na si Uno. Okay, ang yun na baba ka na, boy. Folks, itindihin lang natin daw si Uno. Medyo manihain kasi ito, guys. Ayan na. Ayan na. Once again, we are still working with wild animals. As much as we want to train them, we don't want to change their behavior. Kung ayaw talaga mag-perform ni Uno dyan, si Kuya Simon na lang ating paakyatin sa kahoy ko para may makita tayong talent ngayong hapon. No? Okay. Now guys, the reason that there is bear in their name is because they're capable of standing up with their two hind legs at ipapakita yan ni Uno ngayong hapon po. At